Hey everyone, Crashly here. I have another Diamond Art Club sneak peek. This is for their 8-year anniversary drop. So it is 100 kits that they're releasing tonight, midnight, or tomorrow technically, whatever you want to think of it as. This is Evening Glow Wolf by Tami Alba. This is 55.8 centimeters by 66 centimeters. It is a square drill kit. Here's a close-up of it. Beautiful wolf glowing in the moonlight. I'm assuming it's moonlight, or it might just be fall. I don't know. All right, this has 37 colors, including 1 AB and 2 fairy dusts. Total diamonds, 59,360. Beautiful canvas if you're a wolf lover, or otherwise. It's another one that could be like hung up, you know, in a country cottage, or your home away from home, and it would make people stop and be like, ooh, what's that? All right, we have our standard toolkit here, everything you have to have to complete the painting. Take the kit out here, and here is our treasure quest card along with the colors. Let's see what we got. Looks like another bronze card. That's cool. So there are different rarities of these cards. You can redeem them after you get so many. If you want more information about the Treasure Quest cards, it's in the description of this video. But you do have the artist and the title and the size of the painting. On the back you see the rarity. It is bronze. So check that out. It is also another thing that you can just use to collect. So inside the envelope we have our tips and tricks, how-tos, so on and so forth. Here is our symbols used to complete the kit, different colors. We have our special drills at the end here. We have our 1 AB and then the 2 fairy dust listed at the end. And we have another thumbnail picture if you want a close-up of that beautiful wolf. All right, I'm going to set these off to the side here, and we are going to take a closer look at the colors and the canvas. So tell me in the comments, how many of their DAC of the 100 do you have on your purchase list? I think it's going to be interesting to see everyone flock at the same time tonight. So DAC, I am rooting for your servers. And so hopefully they don't crash. But I'm not putting bad juju either, okay? That is, I'm rooting for them. Yeah. All right. Do we have the top? Yes, it is. Ooh, look at this. Oh, that is beautiful. Okay, we have some curling, so I'm going to go ahead and just roll this the opposite way here. And we will take a look at the colors. You can see I've just flipped it over. I'm rolling it the opposite way. Diamond Art Club does use poured glue, so it pretty much does what you need it to do. But just a quick roll the opposite direction, and you can see it lays down much better. This is really pretty. I really like this. I really do imagine this in like a hunting cabin hung up, you know? Like instead of the actual animal heads, just do this and gift it to your family and friends and it would sparkle. This is really beautiful. It has lots of fall colors and those serious eyes. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna flip this over here to where we see the white part. And we're going to take a closer look at these different colors. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, we have lots of different shades of browns and like oranges, like autumn colors, yeah. All right, we have, I'm going to zoom in, 829. We have 976, 3827, 3371. Sorry, I'm twisted here. We have 3854. Here it looks like 3 bags of 3781. And we have 3 bags of 838. And then we have 839, 2 bags of that. We have this really pretty brown fairy dust Z435. We have 2 bags of 400, 433, 611, 782, and 780. Like I said, if that was too fast, you feel free to slow down the video and come back through. Here we go. All right. So we have Z3787370. Here's another fairy dust, Z3865, a beautiful white. 7543771. Not seeing any big duplicate bags. Here we go. Here is a really beautiful AB. It's kind of like a pale yellow. Let's see where those go on the canvas for sure. What else we have here? Big bag of 3855. Lots of yellows. It looks like 2 bags of 3021. All right, then we have this other little strand left here. That's 1603177583799 and 414. All right, I'm going to flip the canvas over and we are going to see where the special drills go, and I'll give you a close-up of it as well. All right, so the yellow AB that we saw is kind of like this hook symbol. If I zoom you in here, let me see if I can find where my finger is. Here we go. So it's this hook symbol that you see right here, and this is kind of like in the highlights throughout the wolf here where the sun is beaming in. This is a close look. There's his eye. So I'm going to zoom back out here so I can give you a better overview. So that's where I see the hook mostly. I don't really see it in the background per se. Yeah, just really where the light comes in. Oh, there's some here. This is like a feather like coming off the side here. I believe that's a feather. Yeah, it's kind of like a feather or like the inside of a leaf. So it's also right here on there. Looks like the sun's hitting up here more. Oh yeah, so like in the middle of the different leaves where the sun hits it directly. Let's see, the 2 fairy dusts. We have the white fairy dust, which is this white dot. So you can see those directly on his highlights here. Some within the background at the top. And then the other fairy dust is this dash color. And those, I really saw those throughout, like on his fur. So if I can find my finger, here. So it's kind of just throughout strips of the fur, also throughout the background, like all over. So they really did spread them out. So here is the close-up of the wolf itself. You do want to see the background. It has quite a few color changes, but I don't think it's anything crazy. Here's all of our dark spots, how they did the shadows there. Yeah, I think that this is really pretty beautiful canvas, honestly. It would work up fast. It's not too gigantor. Very pretty. All right, so that is it for this one. I'm going to zoom back out to give you full overview of the rendering. Love it. All right, that is it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you're brand new, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the thumbs up button on your way out. Hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss when I post another video. And yeah, happy shopping for Diamond Art Club's anniversary. Until next time, everyone. Bye-bye.